Hi everyone, it's Bella here. I'm trying not to bang the camera. I'm just going to do a quick flip through of my journal I'm working on at the moment. And this is the cover. I've used some green lace and some cream lace around the edges. And I've stitched on my machine with this new stitch that I found. Can you see there? And I've got a little nativity charm on there attached to the seam binding. Just plain on the back at the moment. Haven't made my mind up yet whether I'm going to put more clusters or something on the back. I'm out of practice with this, so forgive me. I'll just do my best. Rachel's not well at the moment, so I'm just doing a quick video to fill in the gaps for her. I've done some machine stitching around the edges of the pages because this actually is put in with elastic, so I've been able to take them out and sew wherever I've felt like sewing. I put a stitch around there, as you can see, some lace on here, and I've collaged with Rachel's papers there. And I don't know whether you can see the back of this page here, but it was a mistake, and I had it in my printer ready to produce all these pages and do the back sides of them. And Rachel sent me the, you know, the thingies that you put on your posty things when you've sold something. And it came out and it was printed on top of this lovely paper. I thought, I'm not going to waste this. So I just carried on. I think it looks rather nice. There's Rachel's name there, look. Can you see it? And it's got the date as well. Fab. There we go. I'm just going to flip through this quickly. I'm not going to show every little bit. There's a more stitching down here that I've done. That's a tag made up of all the ephemera that she's got in the kit. Beautiful kit. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. So that's a little collage that I made, a cluster I mean, and more stitching on there. And this is what I've done today, and I put some washi tape, sorry, I banged the camera then, sorry. Washi tape on, she's still swinging. Sorry. Some washi tape down here and some washi tape on there. And this faux washi, I was trying to think of the word there, faux washi is what Rachel and Gail have been making on their channels, and it's with double-sided tape. So that's what that is there, the red bit at the back there. Can you see? No, there you go. Anyway. There we are. I've done a little bit of collage in. And what I did, I machine stitched this first, and then I collaged in the middle. Okay, and I've done the same on the back using Rachel's kit. I've just added these today, and I put some little charms in. That's out of the kit. All these papers are out of the kit. I've just used Rachel's, from Rachel and Bella Crafts papers in this one. And I'm loving this stitch here. That's out of one of my old books. Very Christmassy. And that's, the cotton I've used there is, I forget what it's called now, but it's multicoloured. And I've got black on the back. I thought I'd vary it a bit. There's a charm on there, there's a little stocking. That's a belly band actually, but I haven't got anything in there yet, so I'm not sure whether it's finished or not yet. I just did this today because I know Rachel was worried that she wouldn't be able to do a video, so I thought, well, I'll just do this, and if she wants to use this, she can. This is one I made the other day. That's vellum on the bottom here with 4 tags. Out of the kit. That's out of the kit. Oh, and I put gold on the back of there too. Forgotten that. These little words are great too. You see? And this here is some material I had. It's one of my favourite pieces that I've got. And I just put some bling on there and some stitching around the edge. The button. That's the middle page and that's the elastic. More stitching. It's another tag. Great kit. I've really enjoyed working with this kit. That's just some collaging on bits of clustering. These are out of the kit. Just some music paper at the top there, and I've stitched around the edging. Jingle bells. Another tag. Stitching on the edging. A little bow there in gold and a button. And some lace and some washi tape. And another cluster that I made. More stitching. Done a lot of stitching in this one. I've never done it on the pages. Rachel has, but I haven't done any sewing. But being elastic in the middle, then you're able to take them out. It's much easier. So pleased about that. So there's a little angel on that one. Oh, and this is one of the ones that Rachel did recently. Clever, isn't it? So there's envelope in there, tag in here. Another tag in there. Actually, there's two tags in there. I'll put those back in later. And this one I've just done today now. And sorry, keep banging the camera, sorry. And I've just put some collage in where I've stitched. And I'm loving these threads that I've left dangling, so. And I thought, 25th, he's the greatest gift, and he was born in Bethlehem. And that's the chalice. That's the back of that. I don't know where I got these from. I don't know whether they're from last year or what. I don't know. This is out of Rachel's kit. So I thought I'd put it up the top for a change. Yeah, I've actually stuck that one down. So this is just a pocket. Vellum again and two little tags. Okay. More stitching. Button. And that's it. And there we are. She's pretty, isn't she? I'm not quite sure whether I've actually finished her yet, but because I've only done narrow spine with the eyelets, it's not left me much room to put, you know, to fill it out or anything like that. So I don't know. I'll have to see. But I've rather enjoyed it. So it's been quite a lovely journal to work on, and I love the way it lies flat as well. Okay, well, I shall speak to you soon.